So in this video, we are going to calculate the gross profit margin. That is the first ratio that we are going to calculate here. And the formula for gross profit margin is gross profit divided by sales. Of course, if you want that into percentage, you will multiply that with 100. Now, you know that we already have calculated the value of gross profit, and we also have calculated the value of sales. So I do not have to, go back to my formula and write all that logic again. I will simply refer to these measures, these calculated fields that I already have calculated in my formula. So I will go to analysis and I will say create calculated field. This will be named as gross profit margin, and I will simply refer it to the previous measure that we already have. I will just write gross, and you can see system has already identified that we already have gross profit, and I will just divide that with sales, and you can see that we already have this value available. So always make sure that when you are referring to some measure, please pick up the value from this drop down by pressing the tab key or enter key. Never write that, never write sales yourself, because that may result in writing something that Tableau will not recognize. So I will just press enter, and now you can see I have the calculation of gross profit margin. I'll press OK, and we have the gross profit margin. So I will bring that here, and you will see this value now in the matrix, though it is not in the right format. Now to fix the format, I will click here and I will click on format from here, and I will bring this from number to the percentage, and 2 decimals are fine for me. So I'll go back, and now you can see the gross profit margin for us is 66.66% in 2018. Then we have 2019, that is 69.65, and then in 2020 we have 68.17%. So of course these values will be responsive to all the slicers. So if I just want to check that for a quarter, for a month, or for a date, of course these formulas will work. Similarly, if you just apply a slicer for any parameter like country, these slicers will be working for that as well. So just by a click you can check the gross profit margin for France, for New Zealand, for USA, or any country that is available in your data. So that was the first formula, and in the next lecture we are going to calculate the net profit margin as well, but I will recommend you to do it yourself and then check the answers in the next lecture.